Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, you find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, was a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel's recent Thursday visit came as a surprise to some fans. Sikka Rhymes and Octane visited the artists, viewers and subscribers, and one thing is for sure, we can look out for a lot more feature from the teacher and local dancehall artists, and that is definitely a good look. Which is some other people that talk about dancehall and I talk about the crown. One have the reputation there in the town. But what them I do for the genre, viewers and subscribers? What kind of music them I put out to help elevate the genre? But also inspire, educate. What kind of music like that them I put out? None. The answer is none. And one thing we can say for certain, yes, some people might say I Octane one of them artists the way. It makes certain statements in the public and people will never forget. But we them talk about unity. And I say, yo, for the betterment of dancehall music, we could just move forward. And Vybz Kartel are co-sign that. Vybz Kartel are co-sign that in a dancehall music. As the king of the genre, it is up to Vybz Kartel for help elevate the genre and also for lead by example and show the ones them say, yeah, we know say enough no misguided and make some statements through some people tell no for say that or through no feel like say, yo, yeah, it would have help, no, but it don't work out that way there. And in the end, music, it would be a definitely good look for see that track you drop and see the energy and the vibe, the facts. So we say Sikka Rhymes there. We know say alright, the teacher authorized this and know say alright. The Octane same can forward through. Call the reasoning. Hear the point of view. You know what I mean? Excited moment in the dancehall music. We know say Spice, Sikka and Teacher have something in the works too. Also, yes, them have something in the works too. And we have a couple tracks already mixed and mastered, ready for the road. Songs like Money Machine. Songs like Red Eye Girl. When the juggling rhythm there for after them. You know the something go. Crazy more tracks in store, viewers and subscribers, and we have a lot more in storage. For all who feel like say yes, at some point in time, them are gonna see a decline in a Vybz Kartel and his music. You're wrong. It's in the vault right now. We are trying to get out some of the music out of the vault. We are trying to get some of the music out of the vault because every time we go in there and take out 130 track, we realize it almost like it can't lock back. We don't know if it fit so much song back in the vault. But we're in the cell fans. We have crazy amount of tracks to drop. Remember, the Exile Pharaoh album, viewers and subscribers, was put on hold so that the two Tanisha project could have dropped. You know what I mean? To get the Short Bass record label up and running on a certain level so that the EP from UTG could have dropped and dancehall could have react well and they could have get marketed and distributed the right way. But we even have more albums to drop. And we can drop the songs that we plan to put on the album there, on a mixtape or as singles. Dancehall is in capable hands, viewers and subscribers. Tell all other naysayers to step them game up. Put out good music. And stop put out statements. After all, you're artist. And they have entertained. Put out the song them. It's a good look. Big up Sikka Rhymes. Track them drop. Music video drop. More songs on the way. Sikka, you know the something go. VP. And I'm not normal. Definitely a good look in a dancehall music. Talk to me. Make me know if y'all look out or y'all look forward to see a track from Octane and the teacher, Sikka Rhymes. You know what I mean? Or if Octane is an artist, when I really dip on your radar. And put out a couple songs in the music where people didn't react well to. You know what I mean? Some people that said change a style, change a sound, and people start saying, alright, you know what I mean? Different thing Octane do. But him still have a fan base of people who pay attention to his music. You know what I mean? I'm do shows off the island. So definitely a good look for him. He reached a far away from where he did there. Sikka Rhymes definitely an artist. The people are happy for Sikka Rhymes every turn he make. the people must say, yeah, do it, youth. The people them genuinely happy for the artist. And a very few artists must say that way. Very few artists must receive this reaction from the fans. And not just because of what happened to him. You know what I mean? Sikka Rhymes has been an artist, a champion not only by him community, but the entire Gaza nation has said we need to pay attention to this artist. You know what I mean? Yeah. It have the potential to give dancehall what it needs at this point in time. Because what dancehall needs is a certain level of versatility. A certain level of diversity. For a better choice of word then. We need to say diverse artists. One thing with the Gaza nation. Even if we have 5 artists on the same juggling rhythm, everybody sang different. And the boss make sure of that. If you drop a song and you talk about phone, iPhone, or some whatever phone you talk about, he might make sure say next artist on the juggling rhythm not talk nothing about no phone. He can reference it. To make your phone song bigger, he can reference it. Or reference a line from your song. But make sure say he might talk about something else on the same juggling rhythm. Because we now put out 2 of the same song on the same juggling rhythm and we are far from the same camp. No! The teacher show the ones them that. And when we say lead by example, when people look on Portmore Empire and the way they not deal with music, it's still a do that for music right now. People realize say you're the 2 we got up on the juggling rhythm. And we cannot talk about the same thing. We have a different vibe on it. Even for the 2 we are forward. Even for one group or one camp, we have to show that level of diversity. So we got Vybz Kartel for all them contributions into the dancehall music. Even though some other people now want to say it. And see it, some people that say Octane a return now. Like a prodigal son. You know what I mean? I return back to the fold and I say right now. I put more the thing then. A one link. A one ray. You know what I mean? And as I'm say, statements were made, but you also have statements that made it Octane say, yeah man, the teacher, the boss. You know what I mean? He make them statements too. But as I always say, people always get, no. People choose make statements to them feel like say you make them look more stronger as an artist. Feelings to them can trick dancehall fans. You can't trick dancehall fans. We already know you, your style of music, and people in the streets, that small island. We know somebody, we know somebody, we know somebody, we know you. So some of the time we hear certain statements and see them make certain talk for a certain interview. We are saying, and what them a try do? And dancehall fans are people like this. When you say it, you did say it, we always remember. And if me no remember, my friend will remind me, say, yo, him did say that, you know. And me I say, for real, you know, I never did remember. But me here say, did say that thing, never true. So, but definitely a good look for see, we can move past that and make the music better and still put out tracks. Definitely a good look. Talk to me in the comment section. Let me know why your reaction, viewers and subscribers, to this latest news that the teacher receive a visit from Octane. You know what I mean? If you want a track, Octane look a track right now. Something for dominate in a dancehall music. I'm gonna doubt it. When the feature you drop from the teacher, the whole dancehall like a rock. The whole. And if it's a reggae infused track to same way, you know that go. You know how that go. A simple maths. You know what I mean? A simple maths. And the equivalent is simple. Another dancehall hit. Another chart topper. Another groundbreaking feature from Adija, the teacher, for dancehall music. Talk to one man. You know the something. Got the comment section open. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Talk to me in the comment section. Let me know what the vibe. I wanna pray. You know what I mean? If you not anticipate this track, or if you don't feel like say, yo, yeah. Because the teacher upon it, we're gonna listen to it. But not because of Octane in particular. You know what I mean? Or because Sikka feature upon the track too as well. Because we hope to see Sikka upon the track too. You know what I mean? Being an artist from Portmore too. You know what I mean? Because you know a Portmore Octane get him start in the music. No doubt about that. So we consider him a Portmore artist because I just get him start in the music from. Despite them want to say him hail from or wherever the case may be. You see me just like Bob. A town Bob get him start in the music from. You know what I mean? Yeah, we still consider him artist from Rima Trenchtown. Even though we know say Bob was not born in Kingston. But that's sort of something we get a start in the music. So that definitely be a good look. We see 3 Portmore artists drop another track and show Portmore dominance. You know the something go. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And I'm reminding those who are new to the channel and new to the movement, who just a pass through, but who don't like the reason and of course don't like the point of view, well, I am suggesting that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you'll be notified of all fresh content as well as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon did it too. Drop a like on the blog for me like right here. The share icon is also there as well. Tell a friend for tell a friend. But tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning. Join the discussion. The comment section today, just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. However, other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments and your opinions, and we can continue reasoning via the comment section. Quick recap. Sikka, Octane, visit Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers. You know how the something go. Up move settings fam, we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments to you and yours, I wanna live, love and prosper until we reason again.